Welcome to Bexley Test Free Exam Papers Plus. This is the verbal section, questions 17 to 32. I've already done questions 1 to 16 in a previous video. Here we go. Three of the four words are given in a code. The codes are not written in the same order as the words, and one code is missing. Choose the correct answer to each question and mark it on your sheet. What's a really nice way to do these kind of questions? You need to find two numbers that appear in the words. Are there two numbers that are really close to each other? 4, 5, no. 4, 6, 4, 7, no. How about 8, 2, 8, 2, 7, 2, 2, 6? You're joking, right? Well, there's a 4 on the end, so hopefully there's 4 at the start and 4 at the end. So let's have a look. If N starts a word, is there a word that ends with N? No. How about H? H starts a word, is there H at the end? No. T. So it looks like these two. Dun dun. Now, is the order? Do we know the order at the moment? No, because we've got 5, 6, which could be this or it could be this. You see, now we need to maybe find a number that is in both 6, 6. So what are we saying? The third letter has to be the same for two of the words. That could be our way in. T. Is there a third letter with T? No. N. N, N. Okay, so now it's probably this one for that one. So let's just see. If we're wrong, we just change our mind. So above, put 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, 5, 6, 7. So if I'm right, then that one will be 8, 2, 6, 1. Now just checking they match up. If we look at 6, that is N. 7. 7, 5, 4, okay, but then all the numbers are different, so now we need to put in the other one. 7, 3, 2, 4. What did we say? It ended one of the words, so we put it here. 7, 3, 2, 4. Yeah, okay. 7, 3, 2, 4. The bit that we have to make sure is the T. That's why I was pausing there a little bit. I haven't done this before, just doing it in real time right now. If we look at T, 7 here, 7, 7 here. Now we check the other numbers. 3, does it match up? No. 2 matches up. Good. U. So there we go. Right, we probably have it. So tour, that is 7, 3, 2, 4. Now then, the good thing is we know the numbers matching each letter. T is 7. H is 8. E is 5. And then N is 6. Right. 7, 8, 5, 6. Good. D. And then now the last part. Just going to cover over this because we've just done it right now. You can always go back a few moments in the video if you want to refer back to it. So now 7, 8, 3, 6, 1. Just match up. 7 is T. This is a good way to do it. Put the letter above the word. 8, we just had it. H. 3 was O. 6, THO. We might actually stop here because we know it's got to be those two. Just to make it a little bit quicker in multiple choice questions. Now you know it's either A or D because we've just got THO. 6 is an N. So there we go. 4. There we go. THO, and just last one was G here, and now this one 4, 5, 1, 5. That should we go backwards? No, just go forwards. Do it properly. 4 was what? R. 5 E. 1 G. R E G. So we know it's those. Just do a few letters and then get rid of it. R E G has to be the first few. They are all out, so maybe the next letter gives it. R-E-G-E. How nice is that? Don't even waste time, guys. Don't even waste time working out this. You know it's 8. I'm going to waste time here just to prove it. N here, and then T. T is 7. Yes, good. I'm going to quickly Google it. Regent. What does that mean? If there's a new word, I will share it with the students here. A regent is a member of a university acting as a regent for a monarch, so you might be representing someone else. So what could it be? A regent, a person appointed to govern a state. So it sounds like a ruler, sounds like someone in charge. They've got a lot of power. That's what it sounds like to me. Here we go again, questions 21 to 4. So same kind of pattern like before. I want to find two numbers really. Even better, three numbers that are together, and then we might get a pattern quickly. So let's quickly glance at them. Looks like 2 and 5 are in both. 2 and 5 in the middle. So can I find two letters where it's a separated? It'll be the second one or the fourth one. Is there a better way to see this? Let's go for that. 2, 5. So let me just have a guess. O-N might be 2, 5. But then is O a second letter for any of the words? And then N. Oh my gosh, that was lucky. O-N. So looks like 2, 5 here. If I box it just to show, 2, 5 looks like here. That was very lucky. So that's how we do these tough questions. Just find a pattern. Two numbers together, and then maybe we can see it somewhere else. So I might still be wrong. Doesn't matter. I'll change my mind very soon. 1, 2, 5, 8 here. And this one, 7, 2, 4, 5. Let's just match everything. Now, looks like 7 is T. Is there a word here with the third letter as T? Yes, 7. So 6 might be that one. Is there 6 anywhere else? No. So, but that is the only one with the third letter as T. As 7. So put it 4, 3, 7, 6. And now, nice. Well, we can work out because I think we've got every letter. Good. Every letter matching every number. So 5 and then I. Where is I? 3. 5, 3. Look at your options. Is it there? And we don't waste time. How nice. 5, 3. That's the skill multiple choice. We've just worked out 5, 3, and that's the only one with that. I'm going to quickly show you. C is equal to 1 because we had it here. C is 1 and then 8. E is, come on, there. 5, 3, 1, 8. It works. Oops, that was a bit messy. Oops, put 8 here. Went. Match it all up. Look above. Every letter is shown. W is 4. E is 8. So it's got to start 4, 8. Let's use multiple choice. No. No. Oh, that was lucky. Oh, so maybe we can actually do these really fast. We work out two numbers, we're good. N is 5, and then T is 7. So it works out anyway. Good. Last one, 7, 6, 3, 5. Just match up. Easy. You can pause the video now if you want. I'll give you 10 seconds. Just do it yourself and then unpause. Have you had a go yourself? Good. So 7 will be T. 6 is, come on, 6 is H. 3 is I. THI. It can only be option A, Fin. And 5 is N. Fin is the answer. Good. In the same questions, the three numbers in each group are related in the same way. Find a way to complete it. Okay, so these really weird pattern questions you do get in verbal papers. So if we look at 24, it's always about asking what you do with this and this to get the middle number. 80 divide 20 equals 4. How about this? 48 divide 6 equals 8. Yeah, it works. So once you've tried this one, you must go to the other bracket just to make sure. So we do it. 75 divide 15. Okay, just do it now. Go up your 15 times table. I'll give you 5 seconds. Pause the video now. What's the answer? If you weren't sure, I'll quickly write the 15 times table to help you guys. 15, 30, 45, 60, 75. So that is the answer. It takes 5 goes to get there. Question 25. What do we do with this and this to get that? We minus. Does it work here? 72 minus 8 is 64. Yes, so we take them away. A really good way to take away 9. You take away 10 and then you add 1. 58 take 10 is 48 and then you add 1 is 49. That's the answer. Now 8 and 1 to get 81. What have they done? Well, it looks like 8 plus 1, maybe 9, and then 9 times 9. That was cool actually. Interesting. 9 times 9, so we've got a square number there. Let's put it. If you guys weren't sure, I'm writing it. 8 plus 1 is 9. I only did that because the digits were shown, and then was how we go from 9 to 81. 9 times 9. We do the same thing here. 3 plus 5. Does it work? Does it work? Yes. 3 plus 5 is 8, and then times 8 is 64. So I've never seen that before. Good. So let's do it here. You guys have 5 seconds. What's the answer? Do the same thing. 2 plus 4 is 6, and then times by 6 is 36. Good. 2 and 3. How do we get close to 60? Do we add them? Which is 5. 5 times 12 is 60. I'd probably just times them just to get closer. 2 times 3 is 6. And then 6 times what is 60? 10. Now, does it work here? Do the same thing. 2 times 4 is 8. And then 8 times 10 is 80. So just this first step, just find a way to get really close to the number, and then you might just be a step away. 2 times 3 is 6, then you times 10. Write it with me if this was brand new for you. Good. 2 times 4 is 8, then you times 10 is 80. Good stuff. Do the same thing here. You have 5 seconds. Pause the video now. 1 times 5 is still 5, and then you times by 10. It is 50. It is 50. Good. 110. Maybe we divide them. And then you take away 1. That gets it. Does it work here? 54 divided 9 is equal to 6, and then minus 1. Good. It works. So that's what I mean with these questions. Do they look a bit weird? Yes, but first step, just get really close to the number, and then you might be 1 step away. Write it with me. 54 divided 9 is 6, and then minus 1 is 5. Do the same thing here. 5 seconds. Pause now. 72 divided 8 is 9. And then you minus 1 is 8. 8 and 3, maybe add them. That's 11, and then times 2, 22. Does it work here? 7 plus 6 is 13, times 2, 26. Good. So we add them, and then we times by 2. Add the two numbers, then times 2. Classic question. I've seen this all the time. I see this all the time. Write it with me if it's brand new for you. 7 plus 6 is 13, and then times 2 is 26. Do it here. 5 seconds. Pause now. 7 plus 8 is 15, and then times 2 is 30. Well done. 12 and 8, maybe we add them. 12 plus 8 is 20, and then add what? The first number, 12, 32. 17 plus 1 is 18, and then add the first number. So that's a really weird one. Write that rule. Add, then it's like add again, the first number. How strange is that? Put it. 17 plus 1 is 18. Then add the first number, which is 17. Okay, do the same thing here. We're good. 5 seconds. So 7 plus 5 is 12, and then you add 7, which is 19. Next, 18 and 8. We add them, that's 26, and then how you go from 26 to 13, you divide by 2. Does it work here? 15 plus 9 is 24, and 24 to 12 is divide 2 as well. So please expect this to happen. 2 steps with these kind of questions. So I'll write it for both. 18 plus 8 is 26. Then you divide 2 is 13. Okay, one more question, guys, and then the video is over. Good. 15 plus 9 is 24, and then divide 2 is 12. Do the same thing here. 5 seconds. Pause the video now. 21 plus 7 is 28, and then you divide by 2 is 14. Good. So I've covered all the questions for Bexley Test 3 verbal section, question 1 to 32. Thank you so much for watching.